Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench on the workbench. This is a laminated workbench top I made to use on job sites many years ago. It's just construction lumber glued together, and then it's been flattened several times over the years. I've just finished flattening it, and I was thinking about bench height. What is a comfortable bench height for planing? It's not the same as for chiseling. It's not the same for sawing. It's not the same for carving. So I was wondering, is it possible maybe I can raise mine up? Because you know how I noticed that something was wrong? I watched my own video, the one on planing beach. I was trying to avoid the vise, okay? And so my pelvis was out here and my body was over here, and I'm using my arms more. When you're planing, you want to be using your body. So you want it to be, okay, level. So waist is here. You want it to be level. So it's a little bit above waistline. You want your whole body doing the planing, okay? And you have your feet, this one like this one like this. And so you're going from the heel to the toe, from the heel to the toe, all right? So that's what's giving me some ideas here. Let me know what you think about a comfortable bench height for you. It doesn't have to be a measurement. It has to be where your bench is in relationship to your palms, your back, your waist, so on. So what I was thinking of doing was adding this to my workbench by just sliding it down over here. Let it hang over a little bit so I have something to clamp to. And on this end, it covers the other vise. So that gives me a nice surface to plane to. And then taking some sort of a board like this and making an adjustable stop on the end. Maybe with a couple of hanger bolts and some wing nuts. We'll see. Head out to your workshop. Go see if your workbench is comfortable. Is it comfortable for planing? Is it comfortable for dovetail work? In all honesty, for dovetail work, you should have one of those Moxon vices up here where you can stand up nice and saw as opposed to bending over. Protect your back. Trust me, you'll regret when it's gone. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop and go make some shavings. I don't care if they're just construction lumber. May you have a blessed day. Walter, out.